Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could transform our national parks? Picture this: AI helping park rangers monitor wildlife or combat forest fires before they spread. Imagine AI-enhanced apps guiding you on trails, providing real-time insights about the flora and fauna around you. What about AI predicting visitor trends, leading to better park management? Intriguing, isn't it? The potential of AI to revolutionize our interaction with these natural sanctuaries is immense. Let's dive in to understand this fascinating interplay between technology and nature. To begin, we need to understand what artificial intelligence or AI actually is. Imagine your brain. It's an incredible tool, capable of learning new things, adapting to different situations, and making decisions based on the information it's been given. Now, imagine a computer that can do all of that, but at a scale and speed that's simply mind-boggling. That, in essence, is artificial intelligence. AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines. It's about designing systems that can understand, learn, predict, and react, just like a human would. But there's more to it than that. Within AI, there are different forms, each with its unique capabilities. One of these is machine learning. This is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It's like giving a computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Simply feed the machine a bunch of data and it will start identifying patterns and making predictions all on its own. Then there's deep learning, a subset of machine learning. This is where things get really interesting. Deep learning models are designed to automatically and adaptively learn to represent data by training a deep architecture with layers of neurons inspired by the human brain. It's like machine learning but on steroids. So, with this understanding of AI, you might be wondering how it could be applied to our national parks? Scene script. AI technology has an array of applications within our national parks. Venturing into the wilderness, we find the intersection of two seemingly disparate worlds, the natural and the digital. One of the most compelling applications of AI in our national parks is in the realm of wildlife conservation. Wildlife management has always been a challenging task, but with AI, we're able to bring a new level of precision and efficiency to the table. Think about monitoring animal populations. Traditional methods often rely on manual observation and tracking, which can be time-consuming and prone to human error. But with AI, we can use advanced algorithms to analyze data from trail cameras, drones, and other sources. These algorithms can identify different species, count individuals, and even recognize specific behaviors. This gives researchers a wealth of accurate, real-time information about animal populations, helping them make informed decisions about conservation strategies. Now let's consider the fight against poaching. Poaching is a significant threat to wildlife in many national parks, but it's a difficult crime to prevent and detect. Enter AI. Using machine learning algorithms, AI systems can analyze patterns of human activity in the park, predict potential poaching hotspots, and alert park rangers to suspicious activities. This not only helps catch poachers in the act, but can act as a powerful deterrent, making our national parks safer for all inhabitants. The benefits of AI in these areas are tremendous. With improved accuracy, we reduce the risk of miscounting or misidentifying species. With increased efficiency, we save time and resources, allowing park staff to focus on other important tasks. And with predictive capabilities, we can anticipate problems before they occur, leading to more effective conservation efforts. But remember, these are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing wildlife conservation in our national parks. From tracking migratory patterns to monitoring plant health, the possibilities are as vast and varied as the parks themselves. But that's not all. AI has even more to offer to our national parks. In addition to wildlife conservation, AI can significantly enhance the visitor experience in national parks. Let's delve deeper into how this incredible technology is making that possible. Imagine you're planning a trip to a national park. Wouldn't it be great if you could have a personalized tour experience tailored to your interests? That's where AI comes in. By analyzing data such as your past visits, preferred activities, and even social media likes, AI can recommend routes, activities, and points of interest that align with your preferences. It's like having a personal tour guide who knows exactly what you enjoy. But it's not just about personalization. AI also plays a crucial role in managing crowd control in these vast spaces. By analyzing visitor data, AI can predict peak times and suggest alternate routes to avoid congestion. This ensures a smoother, more enjoyable experience for everyone. Plus, it helps preserve the natural beauty of these parks by preventing overcrowding. And what about the unpredictable weather, which can sometimes throw a wrench in your plans? Well, AI has that covered too. Advanced algorithms can analyze weather patterns to provide accurate forecasts. This means you can plan your visit better, ensuring that you don't get caught in an unexpected downpour or miss that beautiful sunset you've been looking forward to. But perhaps one of the most exciting applications of AI in national parks is its potential to make these spaces more accessible for people with disabilities. For instance, AI-powered apps could provide audio descriptions for visually impaired visitors or suggest wheelchair-friendly routes. This could open up a whole new world of exploration for those who may have previously found these parks challenging to navigate. From personalizing your visit, to managing crowds, predicting weather, and improving accessibility, AI is truly revolutionizing the national park experience. It's all about making these beautiful spaces more enjoyable and accessible for everyone, enhancing our connection with nature while preserving it for future generations. Indeed, AI holds immense potential in transforming our national parks for the better. To recap, we've covered some intriguing aspects of AI's role in national parks. We began by demystifying artificial intelligence, presenting it not as a futuristic fantasy, but as a present-day reality. We discussed how AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make predictive decisions, is revolutionizing the way we manage and protect our national parks. We've also explored various applications of AI in these natural reserves, from wildlife monitoring and conservation efforts, where AI helps in tracking animal populations and detecting threats, to visitor management, where AI aids in crowd control and ensuring a smooth visitor experience. We've seen how AI is not only enhancing our understanding of these vital ecosystems but also making them more accessible and sustainable. As we continue to explore and innovate, who knows what other incredible possibilities AI may unlock for our cherished national parks. The age of AI is here, and it's here to transform our relationship with nature in ways we can only begin to imagine.